Hi guys, on this short video pills I want to show you how can you easily build a markdown renderer. So for rendering we are going to use MarkDig, which is an open source markdown render for .NET. MarkDig. By the way, this is a Blazor WebAssembly project, so everything is going on the client, no server-side render. Okay, we don't need all of this code, so we can remove it. Now we need to add using MarkDig. Then we can add text area on which we are going to type our markdown. Okay, we just go with 500 pixels just to have some space where to type. Okay, we need to add a code section for C# side. Then we need an on-input event, so we get the type the text. Okay. The event is a change event args. Okay. So here on args value we are going to get the currently typed text, but we need a way to show it. So we add a little separator symbol. Okay. Now I'm going to output a property named HTML. But to work, okay, let's show you as is with string HTML. Okay, HTML. Now MarkDig is very simple to use. We just need to call markdown to HTML args value to string. I'm doing to string because value come back as an object. Okay. Now, just for safety, I'm going to call invoke async state as changed and run. Let's see what happened. Okay, as you can see, we have our test area, and if we type some markdown, as you can see down here, we get to show the HTML tags. This is because for safety, by default, Blazor will output the HTML as text. To fix this is pretty simple. We need to change string to markup string, and here we need to cast to markup string, which automatically convert the string to a markup string type. Run again. Hello from Blazor. As you can see, it's correctly working now. I can also, for example, add a list, and it works. Very simple. Basically, on Blazor, you can use any .NET standard library that doesn't depend from anything, for example, Windows specific or Linux specific. If is compatible, it will works also on Blazor client side. Okay guys, bye. If you like the video, please subscribe.